Hi, and welcome to my Cool Tool Demo 1. My name is Jose Tiarina, and tonight we're going to be looking at Canva as one of the cool tools. I am brand new to Canva and heard about it through one of our class meetings, and so I thought I'd give it a try as I'm always looking for interesting ways to get the word out about meetings and other things in my profession as I work with parent involvement in Gwinnett County. Um, so you can see here, Canva provides a pretty simplistic visual aid in order to show the learning. And you can see how here along the left-hand side that we have different types of um, tabs that you can play around with. I've only been playing around with it for a few weeks, so I want to make sure that you know I don't feed you any wrong information. So I'm just going to stick to what I've learned in the past few weeks here. Um, it houses all your designs as you create them. If you want to create a new design, you go up to the green tab here. It's a really nice feature where you can go in and pick from some of the basic templates that they have, allowing you to create your new piece. And once you go into one, you can go in and really um, play around with the software by picking certain templates within the template, and then even further on by going in and um, dragging it over and then playing around with each text box and other things like that. And you can kind of see how the text displays, and then you can even go up top here and play around with the fonts and the spacing and the lettering, which I think would be a great opportunity for students in especially the project-based uh, learning to really show what they've learned in a final product here after their project has been concluded. It might be Canva might be used as a supplemental piece in order to better help them explain what they've learned by capturing graphics and then writing about those graphics with these text boxes that they can throw on top. Um, so I thought that was really neat. And another cool option is the ability to create a second page right here at the bottom. So if you wanted to, and it gives you kind of a blank template so that you can go and pull in a different template and put this as part of your cool little project explanation, your final product, and it can help you in presentations. You can even upload them to PowerPoint and things of that nature. So that's how I would see it. And really in place-based learning as well, uh, really letting the student play around in here and further implementing what they've learned onto a piece of technology, I think would be a great way to incorporate this tool. The other thing I wanted to show you just real quick um, is how it has learn to design tutorials so that the students can learn on their way, along their way, playing around with fonts, playing around with color, playing around with images. All these things are little tutorials that show you how to use the tool itself, and it takes you through kind of like a design school. And finally, and you can see there's a ton of tutorials you can take. And finally, what I want to show you is the teaching materials section, which is another pretty strong positive point of this software, is that it comes with some basic teaching, whoops, sorry about that. Let me go back. Some strong teaching materials and even lesson plans. For instance, there's some lesson plans created, and then it gives you the ability to share and upload lesson plans that you might have created. So one thing that we all know is history, social change through persuasion, and persuasive writing is key, and especially the elementary K through 8 levels, and it kind of comes with complete with a lesson plan here, and is very uh, it allows you to modify it very easily to the grade level that you're in, even if you're not solely concentrating on racism, but you might be concentrating on some sort of social justice in your class as you study your history and social studies, and the students can use this to to you can use this as a teacher to help your students better understand. So that's Canva. Give it a shot, tinker around with it. Thanks for thanks for watching.